Hope that's not John.
Found this in the water. Don't know what it is. Something in it. Look, you see that? No, what's that right there?
Water. Bug.
No, you see that bug right there?
Ew, it has warts and everything.
No, you see that bug right there? In the puddle, moving.
Ew.
What is that? Where did it go?
Gonna focus? The iPad gonna focus?
Yeah.
Is that a big bug? Is that a long one?
There was something in that tongue. See it?
Yeah, that's it.
Ew. Why would you pick that up?
What the fuck is that?
That line, look
Watch
like
out, watch out, watch out. It looks like you got something at the front of it too, like a hole. That's nasty. Hear all this?
Sit back for the water. Oh, don't let that touch me, O'Neal.
it almost touched my foot.
Yes, it did. Ew.
What is that moving inside of that thing?
It's a bug. What's so fascinating about it?
It came out the tongue, that's why.
There you go.
The rotten tongue. There's bugs in it.
But you can't tell what type of bug it is. It's a bug. You don't know what it is.
It's like a worm or something.
I really hope that's not a tongue.
Yeah, goodbye.
What the fuck is that? Oh, you nasty, bro.
I heard that. They heard me take a little poop poop, a little skeet in my pants. Heard that skeet.
What is that?
Yes, they did. And the sheet, oh yes, they did. What the heck is that? Is it still moving around?
Alright. That's nasty.
Put that tongue back in the water now.